Hey everyone, my name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to use an image as a background in Microsoft PowerPoint using a Mac. I'm going to right-click on my blank slide, and then I'm going to go down to Format Background. Once I click Format Background, you'll notice on the right-hand side of my PowerPoint, I can choose Picture or Texture Fill. There are textures you could automatically choose from, but I actually have one I'd like to insert. If you click on Insert, this profile picture of me, if I click Insert, you'll notice PowerPoint automatically fills your slide size with the image. On the right hand side, you could change the transparency in order to be able to see maybe the text a little bit better. And I could also offset the image using this offset feature here. So if I wanted my face to be moved down, I could increase this top offset to where I'd like it. I could also offset it from the left or to the right, how I would prefer. I wanted to show you also, if you insert an image and it doesn't autofill, if I select insert image, I have this other image, and if I insert it, you'll notice it doesn't autofill. If you have that happen, you could just use the offset settings here pretty simply to fill your screen. You would want to make everything negative here. So offset everything. This is just a quick way that you could do it. It's just offset that image to fill the screen. And then when you're ready, I can apply to all slides. I hope this video was helpful for you. I'll catch you in the next one.